wanted it, if you have a troubleshooting or issue with the crystal placement and it's not last like is 3 weeks for you, you need this, besties. This is gonna make you smile all day long.
Yes, it will.
And then the clients gonna be happy. That is all it matter, because they were like, oh my gosh, Nancy is keep coming off, I'm not gonna getting it. Oh, maybe next time. You heard that often, right? Oh, maybe next time, right? Because they're afraid of gonna falling off. But if you show them that your crystal placements is stay on, they're like, oh my gosh, what is next? Last time I just get the smaller pieces of a centerpiece. You have something else? Sure. And then you show them a whole entire collection. All right, so I am applying condensed glue gels. I go back and forth because I'm blending it really nice. You do not want to do it too much. Too much is gonna flood your crystal. Too little is going to not going to adhere your crystal properly. So if you feel like the first time, oh my gosh, my crystal is running around and it's keep falling in on the side, so it means that it's a little bit too much of your condensed glue gel and no wet top coat. So if you're doing a second time, it's, oh my god, my crystal come off in like next day, so it means that you don't have enough of condensed glue gel. So you give yourself a couple time, a 3-time practice and play with the products, you are going to get a hang of it. So no wet top coat. If you want this to be a matte finish, you are going to add the matte top coat. No wipe. Okay, so all of them are no wipe. The reason it is, so then when you finish it, you do not have to go back and remove all the residues off. So either you go matte or you go shiny. So it depends on your client's preference. So I'm gonna floating the no white top coat on the top of the unclear. So this, I didn't clear condensed glue gel that yet. It's still waiting for us to place the crystal placements on. All right, hello Facebook, hi Instagram viewer, thank you. If you're on Instagram, you can see both of us online with Mika T. She's one of Glitz Subscription, such talented brand ambassador. So we're gonna save the video as well, so I'm so excited. And we're definitely gonna go back with YouTube live tomorrow when our system is get update. So out of like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 designs, I'm loving all of them. Maybe I should put a huge butterflies here. What do you think?
That would be really pretty.
How is she's gonna be huge? I was thinking of that one. Look at that. Is she perfect?
Oh, beautiful.
Oh, that's nice. I was thinking of making a pendant for myself from her. You know what? It's a good idea is you break this swatch handle and then put the little rings on it, and I can wear it as a pendant. The whole nails. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna continue edit some super cute crystal. This is from a glow in the dark crystal kit. I even haven't had my hands on it yet. I'm sorry. It's my favorite kit. All right, it looks cute. I still want to take away from the veinings. That's the thing.
So I'm going to use these beautiful crystals from my random metallic char mix.
Oh, nice. I'm curious what you get. My bags, I get this. I get the little cute butterflies. And then we always want what we don't have. Ta-da. I might want something from yours. We can trade.
Sounds like a deal.
We can trade. So I am going to add some beads on. You can just like doing it without the beads is good to go. It looks gorgeous already, but I'll add it on. The best to do is to place them between your crystals, and then you can do it on the edges or you can do it right in the center of the crystals. I'm gonna add the other one on the other end right there. So I add different colors of glow in the dark. That's the really cool about the kits. It had so many different sizes, like from SS4 to SS16. But it's cool thing about it has so many colors in there. My fave is the orange one. I keep picking the orange one over and over. It's so bright and vibrant for summer. All right. Now I'm excited to see Mika because I'm looking down. I don't see Mika nails. So excited. Happy Monday, Mika. Thank you so much for tuning in.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah. Stay tuned for a lot of others BAs want to do is fun and really cool content. Please comment the question you might have for me and Mika's right here.
Yes.
We are going to answer it all. She's kind of a cool and big right here, so I'm gonna leave her right there. And then you can continue to do more. Add more beads on it, crystal on it as you wish. All right, if you're happy with this, check. It's the best thing about it will not cure until you are going to happy with it. If you need to adjust, like you see me, I adjusting it like the beads, the crystal, the way I want. And then I am going to cure after that. All right, so now we're gonna cure for 60 seconds.